everybody, and welcome to my scrappy space. So we're going to finish up our 30 days of sketches. I know that I said 31 the last time and I'm really super sorry, but we're going to finish up. We have 7 more kits to go, and I think I might have 1 or 2 more just because of the way that I'm grabbing things and breaking them down. So this is the next kit that I have, and this one is pretty simple. But that's the nice thing, is sometimes you just want to be simple. So I am grabbing a simple story, Let's Party. I have a lot of different options here. Got to cut apart. And then I grabbed a black cardstock just to help things pop. It should be a lot of fun to play with. And then I went ahead and I grabbed some Nouveau drops. Where's my little card? Right here. And I'm going to put yellow or black. So I'm going to go with those. Now I'm going to leave those here because I'm going to use those with various collections or page kits, excuse me, as we go. Let's see if I can throw some of these on here. I didn't really look at these earlier. Oh, that would be cute. That would go good. Okay, I'm going to put 2 of those out there. Dun, 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 dun. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. So how have you guys been doing with getting your stuff together? Is this helpful for you, or are you finding that it's harder for you to do without having the sketch and all of that? I'm really curious to know. So the next thing, or the next one I should say, is this one. Now I was super excited. I'm going to put these over here, but I don't want to forget them. I was super excited about these papers, but I didn't know which ones I was going to use. So these 2 are the ones that I've decided to use. I'm going to put this one to the side. And then I pulled in these papers here. This pink, I think will go really well, and or this green. And then I pulled in some white as well, just because I don't know what I'm going to be doing. And then I pulled in these dies. I thought they would go really super cute and nice. So I pulled those in. And then when I was getting this page kit together, let's put this right here, I still have this one. And so I went ahead and pulled a white and a red to go with this one. So I have the beginnings of another page kit, even though I don't have all of the goodies to go with it. So it's kind of a 2-for-1 there. So I'm going to put that one to the side. And I don't believe I had any other embellishments to go with that one, just this die. Okay, hold on. Okay, then I had this kit. Now I just pulled in some white to go with it. And I had originally had these 2 pieces. Here, let's get this all together. I had originally just pulled these 2 here. And I thought, oh, that's cute. It's whimsical. It's fun. It'll be great. But I thought, oh, I want to grab some scraps. So as I was digging through my scraps, I found this blue and this dark blue. And I thought, you know, I think I like that better. So I went ahead and took this pink out. And I'm just going to leave those with this. And then I did bring in some white. But I also brought in some of this yellow or this red. I brought in some squiggly word bits, a little bit of purple. See, I just went through my scraps because there's a little bit of purple in there. And this little piece here I thought went well. See, I'm digging through my scraps. And or this green, but I don't think I like this green now. I mean, it kind of goes with this butterfly here. So I'm going to leave it in. But that's the great thing about scraps, and I know this is a lot of dot, but I don't plan on using all of it. I just don't know quite what I'm going to do yet, so variety, you know, variety. So that kind of took a little bit of a different spin as far as with the pink paper. And then the embellishments that I'm going to use that die kit that I had. Ooh, sorry. I'm going to go ahead and use this die, and then I don't think I have any butterflies. I think my bestie has butterflies, and I think I might borrow some butterflies from her. We're going to go on a little trip, and I think that I'm going to have her bring some dies. So I'm going to bring some butterfly dies. So that's going to be that kit. And then I'm going to also use the Nouveau drops with that. See the little yellow? And the black's kind of harsh. Maybe even a blue. Hold on just one second. Sorry, my chair is terrible. Maybe this blue? I don't know. We'll put it over here. And we shall decide. So that's going to be that kit. So I have been having so much fun going through and trying to find little bits and bobs. But I wanted to share, sorry, the little piece of paper went zooming by. I just wanted to show you that sometimes things take a different turn and you just never know what you're going to end up with. Okay, the next one I'm going to do is Tula and Norbert. This is a photo play collection and it's super cute. I love this Tula and Norbert collection. My husband bought this for me for Christmas a couple of years ago, well, when it first came out. And what I did was I went ahead and I broke down the paper into various page kits. So here's the stickers. And these are just random pieces that don't belong with any of the page kits that I have set aside yet. So it's super adorable. Here's some more cut aparts. The bees, so cute. So those ones I'm just leaving with the collection in case I need something else. And then I went ahead and broke down these papers. In the green. So much cuteness there. I think, I can't remember how I had it exactly, but I just love that green. The flowers. So much. Just love those. Here's the next set that I have set aside. So I have those three. And then, I believe this is the page kit, yeah. So then these three are the ones that I'm going to be working with. And I have these cut aparts to go with it. Hanging with my Nomies. So those are the ones that I picked out. So of course I have plenty of options over there. So then I pulled in some acrylic and then these cute little bows. And I don't know if they're gonna work or not, but I thought, those are so cute. And then here's another, here we go, just in case that can go somewhere. And then I also pulled in this stamp set, this Love Bug. And I think this could go with my other set as well. So this will be super cute. That one, not so much. This is more the mood and feel. So we have that page kit set aside. Oh, before I forget, I went to get some different pieces of ephemera, and I have this little jar sitting here. And I thought, oh, I can pull in some wood veneer because I want to paint it. Maybe I can paint it. And then I got to looking, and here are some very thin pieces of metal. Hopefully there's not too much glare, but they have some really cute floral, not so much the leaves, and these little pieces here. And I thought, oh, maybe I can tie some of those in with this kit and or the previous kit. So I'm going to put those there, and then here's some eyelets, not eyelets, excuse me, some little brads that'll go perfectly with either one of those kits. So I'm gonna pop those in there as well. So now I have a whole little jar just for this one. Okay, the next one we have, just one second, is this one. Now this paper, I have a love-hate relationship with it apparently. But I thought I'd pull in some banners or a banner punch, and then I have these 2 Felicity Jane stamps that I got from, what was it, Black Friday sale. I did a grab bag. Yeah, which was amazing, except now I have Felicity Jane hoarding problems, and so I have to address that. You guys probably don't have that problem. No, I don't know, you may. So then I went through my scraps again. This was my main focus on this paper here. I have a cardstock, and then I just went through and I pulled in some yellow, or this red, or this green, or this green, or this pink, and hopefully it won't look as horrible as it looks right now, but it should tie in together, especially using the banner punch here. So that is what I have, and then I have my Nuvo drops, the orange, because I think I want to do a little flame action there, just to add a little bling on there. Oh, let's go ahead and see if we can pull in some of these. Keep forgetting these, even though they're right in front of me. Oh, this blue might go nice. Well, I don't like the blue. Here, let's put these to the side and kind of focus on our main. That could be okay. I don't know, they're not really speaking to me. They're not really speaking to me. The yellow might work. But, yeah, nothing's really speaking to me right now. Could be my mood too. Do you guys find that sometimes you have a better mood about things, excuse my arm there, than not? So, my stomach is growling. I hope you guys can't hear it. My husband is out there making football food. We don't usually watch football, but we do, you know, the game. You gotta watch the game. It's one of those things, right? Okay, so we have that one. Go ahead and set my punch up there. Then I was going through some papers, and I thought, what is this paper here? I had, just a second, this is all part of this kit now. I was going through and I'm like, I don't know that I even like that paper. Why do I have a whole collection of it? So what I did is I started to look through it, and I was like, oh, I love this. So sometimes it pays to not put the most, I'm not saying this is ugly, I'm just saying it's not the most attractive piece to me. I don't know what I was thinking when I put this away, but oh, I love that. Love it, love it. And it's double-sided, and it's just gorgeous. Gorgeous. And I don't even know, I know I got it from Tuesday Mornings. I don't know the name of it. I'm sure it was a little farmhouse collection of some kind. Did you guys get this at Tuesday Mornings? I'm really curious to know if you even know what the name of it is. Look, it comes with a wood grain. Can't believe it. And then it had this cut apart sheet, and then it had these letter stickers. If you guys know what the name of this is, I would really appreciate you let me know. And these aren't, you know, these aren't the best stickers, but you know, it's okay. They'll do. I can't believe they came with a whole sheet of different sized letters. That's amazing. So what I thought I would do is go ahead. I think I had decided I was going to make a page kit. See, I love this together. Not necessarily that. Oh, see, I love that piece there, but I really like these two together here. That green would go good too, or that yellow. Excuse me. Ooh. What's on the back side of that? Is that green? I don't know. I know I want those two. So see, I'm already making a page kit with you guys right here. And this, I just love, love, love. Now this, I want with this yellow here. That to me is so pretty. But I really like that green too. That just makes that pop, doesn't it? And that blue. Ooh, that's pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Pretty, pretty. Sorry, that was probably out of frame. I love this. I love this blue, this floral, and this yellow. Love all those together. But I also really like this green too. So I'm going to make that into a page kit. I don't know exactly if I will use it this time, but I'm going to put it to the side. Then this one, okay, so this is what I'm going to pull for the page kit this time. I'm going to use my cut aparts and my stickers there, and then I really, really like this wood grain, this little dainty floral, and this gingham, this black gingham. Oh look, I even have a red gingham too if I wanted to, not with that of course, but if I wanted to use it with that. Oh, so much cuteness. So we just don't know on the sketch. And then I can pull in this red as well. So this is going to be my page kit here. But then I'm also going to be bringing in this vellum. And this vellum has some texture. I don't know if you can see it here. Let me see. On this one here, can you see that it has like a little gingham? Probably not. I didn't choose a very good piece. I don't have a solid piece of paper here. But anyways, it's got a texture on it. Not a texture, a design. And then here's a plain one. That was a scrap. And then I'm going to pull in this die set here. Oh, look, there's a butterfly I can use on that other one too. So I pulled this in as well. And then I just wanted to share with you guys the card stock that I've been using, the 8.5 by 11. This is some thinner paper that I get from Hobby Lobby. This one is called Vintage, and the other one I use is Succulent. And these are, they're 65 pounds, so they're lighter, but I find that I like them for backing my photos and also to use to make my, for my dies. It's just, I get this for 50% off, of course, and there's just some amazing colors, and I find that it works really well with a lot of the colors that they have out right now. So I just wanted to encourage you guys to check that out if you have a Hobby Lobby next to you. It's a super great deal. So I don't think this is the Vintage collection. I think this might be the Succulent. Anyways, I just wanted to share that with you. And like I said, it goes very well with a lot of the colors that are out right now. So anyways, I'm really excited to get started on the 30 days of sketches. I have loved going through all of my product. I hope you guys have made some kits. I hope you guys are going to join us, and it's going to be a lot of fun. And I'm excited to get 30 layouts done. I'm not quite sure how I'm going to tape them yet as far as the videos. I may do 1 or 2 and then post. I have a pretty busy month, and so I'm not quite sure how that's going to work for me, but I appreciate you guys coming and hanging out with me, and for all the subscribes and the likes and the comments. You guys are just such a blessing. I hope you guys are out making memories, and thanks so much for joining me. Have a great day. Bye-bye.